The future of True Shrimp will start with a genetics center. We have in our plans to build a nucleus breeding center where we will study the genetics of the Pacific white shrimp and find those families that can thrive in our shallow water environment. We're not going to modify them genetically in any way, but find those families that can really thrive in our environment, in our habitat. To support the harbor, of course, we need lots of post larvae. And post larvae are the very tiny shrimp. They're about 0.003 grams, and we need a hatchery to be able to produce them. So we have under development, and we'll very soon start to build our first hatchery. There we'll bring the brood stock in to spawn and create the post larva, and that post larva will be transported to harbor for grow out. In addition to that, we have the True Shrimp Systems Company, and that supplies the technology and the engineering and the operational know-how, and in some cases the actual equipment that'll go into the harbor that's related to our proprietary technology. We're also going to have a processing, sales, and marketing company. And this is really the difference. Because the harbor provides us enough critical mass, we can support a processing center. So we can do our own processing, our own cooking, bagging, and packaging so that we can take our shrimp to the marketplace. In addition to that, the shrimp molt. And they produce, this molt material has a natural polymer in it called chitin. And that polymer can be further processed into chitosan. So our system's one of the few systems in the world, the only one that we know of, that can actually collect the shrimp molts out of the tidal basins, and we can separate them from the waste stream and process them into chitosan. So there are really 5 companies that support the True Shrimp system and create the full integration from spawning all the way to the table.